Check one, two, three. Should I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I would like to invite Nikita Patel.
Hello everybody. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am good, thank you. Thank you so much giving me for this opportunity to introduce of myself. This is Nikita Patel. I am 18. I am from city of Narsingpur. I have completed my schooling from Government Girls High Secondary School, and I have completed my schooling for Government Girls School and pursuing BTech from Sriram Institute of Technology, and I'm doing spoken English classes from Jhasar. My favorite color is red, my sunshine is Scorpio, and my favorite actress is Kriti Sanan. And my hobbies are listening music, reading books, and playing games, and dancing, and listening and singing, etc. My strength are I'm self-motivated, disciplined, and hardworking person, and and my short-term goal is get a job in reputed company in myself, and my long-term goal is achieve good position where I will build me career as well as organization. I'm living in a joint family. There are 10 members in my family. First one, my father. My father's name is Mr. Kishore Patel, and my father, a farmer, and he is 48, and he is very hardworking person, and he is very caring, loving, and he is always supported me. And second one, my mother. My mother's name is Mrs. Kirti Patel, and she is homemaker, and she is very loving, caring, and she is 40. And my mother's dream is that her daughter successful in life. My brother's name is Mr. Nikhil Patel. He is grade 12th. He subject mathematics, and he's playing games, and his hobbies playing cricket, playing games. In fact, his favorite game PUBG. Always playing PUBG, and he's very he's very naughty, and he's always study, and he is always caring and loving. My mama's name is Mr. Himlesh Patel, and he is married. He is farmer, and he is very loving, caring. His wife name is Mrs. Kavita Patel, and they have two children. Uh, his 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 son name is Mr. Ayush Patel, and his daughter name is Miss Yogita Patel, and his son grade 5th, and his daughter grade 3rd. His son his son grade grade 3rd, and his daughter 3rd, and his daughter 8th, and his her daughter his daughter 8th, and her son 11, and both of naughty, and watching cartoon, uh, reading books, cycling, and playing games. Both are very cute. And mama's my mamu's name is Mr. Raj Patel, and he's first one my teacher in my life, and he is very hardworking person. He is he is successful person, and he is software engineer, and he is from Bangalore, and he is uh, make me aware to study, and he is very caring. His hobbies are working, and he always busy, and he is caring, loving, etc. And my best friend name is Miss Shivani. Uh, I call Shibi, and she is completed schooling from Government Girls High Secondary School from Narsingpur. She is very looking, and she is hobbies making reels, and cooking and gaming, as well as, and she is 18, and she's dream is that teacher, and I believe in true friendship, because I I I I is it is said that her friend हर हर एक दोस्त वही होता है, एक सच्चा दोस्त वही होता है जो मुसीबत के समय साथ देता है. थैंक यू.
इसका इंग्लिश याद नहीं था. Next, I would like to invite Shikha.
Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you, and you?
I am also fine, thank you. Thank you sir for the opportunity to introduce myself. That is Shikha. I am 21. I am from Jabalpur. Jabalpur is a Tal of city. My sun sign is Cancer. I have completed my schooling from MKD Higher Senior Secondary School, and I have completed my graduation Sri Janaki Raman Institute. At presently, I am pursuing MBA first sem, and I am doing Jha speaking classes. My favorite color is black and white. White color is symbol of innocence and purity. And my hobbies include dancing, playing chess, singing, listening of new songs, etc. There are 15 let's talk about my family. There are 15 members in my family. I belongs to UHF family, that is Hindu undivided Hindu family. First, my grandfather name is A.L. Chokse. He is a farmer. He lives in village Kaushalpuri, Lucknow. He is a very good person. He is no more. Second, my grandmother name is Sushila Chokse. She is a homemaker, and she is a very beautiful lady, and she said honesty is the best policy. Third, my Tauji's name is Govind Chokse. He is a farmer. He likes farming, reading newspapers, and traveling, and try to new things, etc. My budding mummy's name is Madhuri Chokse. She is a homemaker, and she is a very nice lady, because she is very honest. And my father's name is C.L. Chokse. He is a businessman. He is very nice, honest, clever, and understand person. He likes traveling, reading newspapers and novels, etc. My mother's name is Ahilya Chokse. She is a homemaker. She is always said practice makes perfect. And I have three siblings. First, my name is Shikha Chokse. Second, my brother. My brother name is Vikas Chokse. He is pursuing class 12th. He also like playing PUBG, Free Fire, etc. He is very naughty person and he likes always traveling, parachute ride and etc. Third, my sister. My sister name is Sakshi Chokse. She is a beautician. She is pursuing class 11th from Saint Norbert School. She is very politely nature and she is also help for me. Next, my best friend. My best friend name is Ravina Motwani. She is a computer software engineer from TCS company in TCS company.
Thank you. Next, I would like to invite Chetan Soni. Would you like to?
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Thank you, everyone. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Thank you, sir, for giving me such an opportunity to introduce myself in front of you all. Myself, Chetan Soni. I am happily 21 now. Recently, I am pursuing MCA from Hyderabad University. I have done my schooling from Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya, Varghinagar. There I got many achievements, like I played in regional and national levels in table tennis. After that, I have completed my Bachelor of Computer Application from DAVV Indore, and recently I am pursuing an MCA from Hyderabad University. I thought to pursue Indian Navy, but my parents, because of their love, they doesn't allow me to go in Indian Navy. Therefore, I thought to go in the line of computer. My hobbies includes gaming, playing cricket, and playing table tennis, and playing mobile games. And above all, I like computer a lot. Now I will talk about my family. There are four members in my family. First, my father. Second, my mother. Third, my brother, and fourth, myself. My father's name is Ramkishan Soni. He is a teacher and he's a strict kind of person because he is teaching maths in government higher secondary school Panagar. And my mother is also a teacher. He teaches in Radhakrishnan College. My brother is recently is studying in class 11. He is very naughty person. He teases all of the person in house a lot. His favorite game is PUBG and Free Fire, but recently, due to his 11th class, he doesn't play. And I will tell about my grandfather family. My grandfather name is late Lakshmi Prasad Soni, and my grandmother's name is Munni Bai. They both live in Narsinghpur district because I was also born in Narsinghpur. Later on, after my father's transfer, we all come in Jabalpur. And my Bade Papa, there are three sons. There are three sons of my grandmother and 5 to 6 buas. My Bade Papa's name is B.D. Soni. He is a photographer, and my father, Elder Badpapa name is S.K. Soni. He is a doctor and recently he is retired from his occupation. And my father is also a very motivated person. He also motivates me for doing great in your career, pursuing many lot of things, travel, and also always say to me that travel and make your career strong so that everyone praises for you always. He is fond of gardening and lastly, I would tell you all that work hard in silence so that your work hard in silence and let your success makes the noise. Thank you.
Very nice, thank you. Next, I would like to invite Shreya Gupta.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also fine. My name is Shreya Gupta. I study in class 6 from Stringfield International School. Before Stringfield International School, I studied in Mathoma, which is located in Sihora. Because I'm shifted Jabalpur in 2021. I'm 11 years old. My hobbies are singing, listening music, reading newspapers, etc. My favorite color is white and sky blue, and my favorite color is white and sky blue. I want to become a IAS officer. Let's know about my family. I live in joint family. There are 9 members in my family. First, know about my grandfather. His name is Mr. Rajendra Prasad Gupta. He is 65 years old. He's a businessman, and I mean he's helping my father and my chachu in business. My grandmother, the second person of my family is my grandmother. His name is Mrs. Shashi Gupta. She is 65 years old. She is a homemaker. She is very lovely and tell me stories about Arjun and etc. The third person of my family is my father. He is a businessman. He is, I don't know his age, and he is very loving, caring. And my fourth person of my family is my mother. She is a housemaker, and she is very strict. And for fifth person of my family is my chachu. My chachu's name is Mr. Parul Gupta. I don't know his age, and he is also a businessman. And fourth person of my family is my chachi. My chachi's name is Mrs. Ruchika Gupta. She is a housemaker, but she is now giving exam for teaching, and and my little brother, he is baby of my chachi. His name is his nickname is Shiv. I tell Shivu, and his actual name is Priyansh Gupta. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Pranay Tiwari.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am also fine. First of all, thank you, sir, to give me this opportunity To introduce of myself, my name is Pranay Tiwari. I am 19. Let's talk about my study. I am pursuing ITI from Takshila College. I am completing school from Isma Wonder Senior Secondary School. I live in Jabalpur. I am basically from Gadawara, but I am staying in Jabalpur. Delhi is the capital of India. Let's talk about my family. I live in joint family. There are 12 members in my family. First, my grandfather. My grandfather name is Prem Shankar Tiwari. He is retired from railway and he is good in nature. Second, my grandmother name is late Mrs. Urmila Tiwari. She is homemaker. Third, my bade papa's name is Sudhir Tiwari. She is works in private school. Fourth, my badi mummy's name is Veena Tiwari. She is a homemaker and works in government school. Fifth, my second bade papa's name is Surendra Tiwari. Works in government college. He is also good nature. Sixth, my second mummy's name is Geeta Tiwari. She is homemaker. And my first elder brother name is Prashant Tiwari. She is graduated. Seventh, my second elder brother name is Priyansh Tiwari. He is pursuing final year in BCom. Eighth, my elder sister name is Priyanka Tiwari. She is completing graduate. Eighth, my younger sister name is Asta Tiwari. She is pursuing class 9th. Let's talk about my friendship. There are many friends in my college, but Ashutosh Tiwari is my best friend. She is a good photographer. She is a good photographer, and I go to college by bike with my friends. Let's talk about my Bua's families. My Fufaji's name is Suresh Pachori. She is retired from government job. Second, my Bua's name is Sushma Tiwari. She is a homemaker. Third, my younger sister name is Anushka Vyas. She is pursuing 9th class. Fourth, my sister name is Swati Vyas. She is a homemaker. Fifth, my second sister name is Neha Pachori. She is a doctor. Fourth, my third sister name is Nidhi Pachori. She is a homemaker. Let's talk about my favorite things. My favorite color are red and blue. My favorite car is i10. My favorite bike is Hornet. I like pizza. My favorite novel is Gulliver Travel. hobby is playing cricket. My hobby is playing cricket. My favorite cricketer is MS Dhoni. My favorite coach is Ravi Shastri. Let's let's talk about my friends. There are 7 friends. My first friend name is Ashutosh Tiwari. She is good in nature and very naughty. Second, my second name in my friend is Shubham Shubham Jharia. She is also a good nature. Third, my friend my friend name is Yash Tiwari. He is good in photo editor. Fifth, my my friend name is Sunny Rajat. She is she is pursuing BCom second year. Fifth, my fifth my friend name is Abhishek Jha. She is also pursuing ITI from Takshila. Sixth, my friend name is Sahil Bhatia. He is a businessman. Seventh, my friend name is Ansh Soni. She is works in private job. That's it all about me. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Raksha Varma.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I am Raksha Verma. I am doing GMLT from Jabalpur. I am belong to Corner City, Chhindwara, but I am currently living in Jabalpur. So I tell my favorite things, and my favorite things are having meal, dancing, listening music, and and cycling. My I wanna be lab technician. My strengths are I'm hardworking person and disciplined person. My sun sign is Libra. My weight is 45 kg. My height is 5.2 inch. And I'm my hobbies. And let's talk about my family. There are 7 members in my family. First my father. My father's name is Mr. Prakash Verma. He is a farmer. He is a very hardworking person. He is disciplined person. He is a very loving and caring. He is motivate for me. And he's sad. She's sad me working. So, second, my mother. My mother name is Mrs. Kamla Verma. She is only not my mother. She is my teacher, my gardener. She is a very strong person. She is very emotional, but she said me. She said me, don't worry, be happy. And third, my younger sister. She is doing 10th class, and she is very loving person with my family, with my life. She is not my sister. She is my best friend. And my younger brother name is Karan Verma. He is doing 9th class, and he is a very disciplined person. he is very naughty. And then my younger brother, his name is Kartik Verma. He is very naughty boy. He is studying 8th class, and he is a very careless person. And let's talk about my mamas. My mamu's name is Mr. Santosh Verma. She is no more, and she is a very loving person. And second, my mommy's name is Lakshmi Verma. She is a homemaker, and she is a very loving person. And they have two children. First, my lovely sister. She's name is Vanshika Verma. She is studying 9th class. And second, my brother. My brother's name is Vanish Verma. She is studying 5th class. She is very cute boy. And let's talk about my friend. My friend's name is Aparna Verma. She is doing BSc BL from Sohagpur, Hoshangabad. She is my bestie. She is a very understand person, and she is supporting to me every moment. And second, Shivani Sahu. She is very loving person. And third, Kavita Verma. She is very nice person. And fourth friend's name is Monica Rai. And my fifth friend's name is Gyanvati Vike. She is married. And fifth, my friend's name is Vidya Pal. So I will tell about my things. I want to thank you so much.
Lastly, I would like to invite Nishant Khamparia.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. First of all, I want to thank sir for giving me this opportunity. Again, thank you so much, sir. I am Nishant. I am 27. I am from city of Sanskardhani. I have done my schooling from SS Vidya Mandir School. I have done my graduation from Jodhpur College. Then I completed BCA and also completed PG MCA in Jabalpur College. My hobbies are playing cricket, football, listening to music, fighting, car driving, and bike riding. My sun sign is Leo. I become to a good government lawyer. My occupation is tour and traveling. My company name is Guru Travels. I belong to joint family. Now let's talk about my family members. First, my grandfather, Dadaji. My Dadaji name is Mr. C.P. Kamparia. He is a retired government employee. He is a good person. He is 75. He is loving, caring, and honest person. My Dadaji hobby is puja karana. Second, my grandmother. My grandmother name is Mrs. Puspa Kamparia. She is a She is an housemaker. She is loving, caring, and honest person. She is supportive to me. Third, my father. My father's name is Mr. R.S. Kamparia. He is principal. He is a very good person. He is 55. My mother's name is Mrs. Sangeeta Kamparia. She is government employee. She is LIC officer. She is queen of my family. She is loving, caring, and honest person. Third, my Chachaji. My Chachaji name is Mr. K.K. Kamparia. He is 48. He is a businessman. He is loving, caring, and honest person. Fourth, my Chachi ji. My Chachi ji name is Mrs. Anamika Kamparia. She is 38. She is an homemaker. She is second queen of my family. I have 4 siblings. First, my sister Neha Kamparia. She is government employee. She is 30. She is the ITI officer. She is married. His name is, her name is Mr. Ankit Misra. He is 35. He is a government employee. Her post name is ITI officer. Third, my sister Nancy Kamparia. She is pursuing class 9th. She wants to become a pilot in future. Fourth, Navya Kamparia. She is pursuing class 7th. She wants to become RJ Hena के साथ in future. My weakness is hesitated very much, and my strength is helping nature. My favorite colors are black and white. My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. He is 55. He is Bollywood romance king. There.
All are done.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
I feel very
Very free. Very free. Very free. चलो हम अपनी तरफ से जो बताएं हमने बारीकी से चीजों को नोट किया है और वो उस तरह नहीं है बच्चे जैसे कि स्कूल या कॉलेज में होता है ना कि रैंकिंग कर देते हैं, तो हम रैंकिंग नहीं करते हैं, हम बता बस देंगे। इसमें काफी समय लगता है, तुम थोड़ा आश्चर्यचकित भी हो जाओगे, हम बताएंगे तब। लेकिन पहले हम तुमसे पूछते हैं। सबसे पहले सोनम ने अपना इंट्रो दिया था। सोनम, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? इससे एक चीज सीख लो कि अगली बार तुम्हें क्या करना है। और एक चीज बताना हम भूल गए थे बच्चों कि आप भी अपने मोबाइल से रिकॉर्डिंग कर सकते, लेकिन वो अगली बार कर लेना। अभी इस वीडियो को तुम देखना, अपने को अच्छे से देखना, तो तुम्हें अपनी कमियां नजर आएंगी। ग्रामेटिकल कमियों की बात नहीं कर रहे, वो तो खैर हम दूर कर देंगे। बॉडी लैंग्वेज में जो कमी है, जब हम यहाँ खड़े होते हैं तब हमारी स्थिति बदल जाती है। तो इसको तुम देखना, एक बार दो बार देखना वीडियो को, और फिर अपनी कमी को खुद रियलाइज करना। पहली स्पीच बच्चों काफी देर से आती है। जाहिर सी बात है, किसी भी इमारत की जब बुनियाद तैयार की जाती है, नींव, तो उसमें समय लगता है। आप सब लोग अपने पहला दिन या दूसरा दिन या पहला वीक, पहला हफ्ता याद कीजिए, और आज आप जहां पहुंचे उसको महसूस कीजिए। इसको हम कहेंगे, या इसको कहते हैं स्वयं अवलोकन करना। अब हम निशांत से शुरू करते। निशांत, हमें काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट नजर आया तुम्हारे, मतलब जब हमने तुम्हें पहले दिन देखा था, दोनों छुटकियों के साथ आए थे, उस समय जो तुम्हारे साथ होता था एक छोटा सा वाक्य बोलने में, और आज उसमें काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट। अभी हम थोड़ी सी और चर्चा करेंगे, लेकिन पहले एक इंटरेक्टिव इडियम ले देते हैं, ठीक है? What was the last interactive sentence?
The last interactive sentence was don't let me down.
And what was the last idiom?
The last was
उस दिन जल्दी में थे अपन, तो हम उसके डिटेल नहीं लिख पाए थे, तो आज लिखवा देते हैं। वर्ब लिखवाए थे बच्चों ने?
Yes, sir.
What should be the verb for वस्तु का डूबना?
The verb for वस्तु का डूबना should be drown.
तो व्यक्ति का डूबना होता है। इसके लिए जो क्रिया है बच्चों, वो आजकल के ये जितने डुप्लेक्स या फ्लैट बन रहे हैं, इनके किचन में पाई जाती है। आपके किचन में अगर प्लेटफॉर्म है आपके घर में, तो एक छोटी सी जगह है, वो इसी की क्रिया है। Yes. So what should be the verb for वस्तु का डूबना?
The verb for वस्तु का डूबना should be sink.
What should be the second form of sink?
The second form of sink should be sink.
What should be the second form of sink?
The second form of sink should be sink.
What should be the spelling of sink?
The spelling of sink should be S-A-N-K.
And what should be the third form of sink?
The third form of sink should be sun.
What should be the spelling of sun?
The spelling of sun is S-U-N-K.
What should be the verb for डूब कर मरना? हम जानबूझ के पर्पसली 2 बार लिखवा रहे हैं, एक बार कल आप लिख चुके हैं। What should be the verb for डूब कर मरना?
The verb for डूबकर मरना should be drown.
What should be the second form of drown?
The second form of drown should be drown.
And what should be the third form of drown?
The third form of drown should be drown.
कोई व्यक्ति अगर डूबता है तो आप ड्रॉन का प्रयोग करेंगे, और वस्तु अगर डूब रही जैसे जहाज, तो हम सिंक का प्रयोग करते हैं। डोंट टेक इट इन, ये वाला इंटरेक्टिव सेंटेंस मिला है बच्चों को? दोस्तों ये सिटिंग चेंज कर लें, फिर अपने उस क्रम में आ जाएंगे कि ऐसे ही बैठे रहना चाहिए। तो इस क्रम से हम बुलवा देंगे या वहां से शुरू करेंगे। Have you written the first one?
Yes, sir. We have written the first one.
Should I erase?
Yes, sir. You should erase.
एक बार बोलना हमारे साथ, don't take it in.
Don't take it in.
बताओ बच्चों, which chapter is this sentence related? Absolutely right. It is related to order or request. Can anybody guess the meaning of don't take it in? Yes. कैसे तो कहते हैं? Very nice.
He is used random sort in this case.
Very good. Wow. Random shot तो दिया नहीं है बेटा? दे दिया है? अरे वाह यार, क्या पता, तुम्हारा सेंटेंस व्याकरण की दृष्टि से गलत है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमने जो चीज नोट की वो है कि अब तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया। Good. बच्चों, पहली स्पीच के बाद आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है, दूसरी स्पीच के बाद आप अंदाजा लगा लो और बढ़ेगा, और वो बहुत जल्दी आने वाली है, उसमें इतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा, और उसका जो विषय है या डिटेल्स है वो हम समय आने पर आपको बताएं। इसमें उसमें इतनी तैयारी की भी जरूरत नहीं। बच्चों ILL इन शब्द आप 27 साल से एप्लीकेशन में प्रयोग करते आ रहे हो, लेकिन वहां उसका सेंस अलग है, यहाँ पे अलग हो रहा है। तो पहले हम एज इट इज बुलवा देते हैं यहाँ से शिखर से।
Don't take it ill, बुरा ना मानो. Don't take it ill, बुरा ना मानो.
बेटा
Don't take it ill, ना. Don't take it ill, बुरा मत मानो. बुरा ना मानो. Don't take it ill, बुरा ना मानो. Don't take it ill, बुरा ना मानो.
Don't take it ill, बुरा ना मानो. Don't take it ill, बुरा ना मानो.
Don't take it ill, बुरा ना मानो.
Don't take it ill, बुरा ना मानो.
कोई क्रिएटिविटी इसमें करना चाहता है तो कर सकता है।
I'm just joking, don't take it ill. मैं मजाक कर रही थी, बुरा मत मानो.
Don't take
मजाक कर रही है।
मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ.
Don't take it ill, it's holy. बुरा ना मानो.
वेरी नाइस। ये सेंटेंस हम राइट में बनता ही है और बच्चे गलत कर देते हैं, वो ऐसा बनाते हैं डोंट टेक इट इन होली, पूरा नहीं बना पाते। उसने बिल्कुल ग्रामर की दृष्टि से बोलेगा डोंट टेक इट इन,
Don't take it ill,
इट इज होली,
holy.
बुरा न मानो,
Holy मानो.
होली है। Which chapter is this sentence related? What is the subject of this sentence? And what is the helping verb of this sentence? एक बार बोल दो यार, there is no helping in this sentence. What is the main verb in this sentence? And what is holy in this sentence? और कोई क्रिएटिविटी करना चाहेगा? क्या कोई कैनवस का सेंटेंस बना के बता?
You can burst cracker. No one take it ill because it's Diwali.
ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा नहीं।
Sir, can I borrow your pen if you don't take it ill? अगर आप बुरा ना माने तो मैं आपको पेन ना ले सकता हूँ।
अच्छी कोशिश करिए, और कोई करना चाहे नहीं तो फिर हम बता देंगे। तो उसमें से वर्ग नहीं निकाल पाए, चलो हमारे साथ बोलो कैन शी रिक्वेस्ट है, तो वो तो ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट में, अब आपको कैन में ले जाना है तो कैन में तो एक सब्जेक्ट लगता है, इसमें तो सब्जेक्ट है नहीं, तो आपको एक सब्जेक्ट रखना पड़ेगा, है ना? अब बता दो कोई क्वेश्चन
take it ill.
अच्छा सीधे रखा गया। चलो गुड, अभी कॉन्फिडेंस तो बढ़ रहा है। भाई सब्जेक्ट बदल दो यार, उसने तो खैर सीधा सीधा रख दिया।
What value take it in? और सब्जेक्ट चेंज करना।
कैटेगरी भी चेंज कर दो।
Priya could take it ill. यह बुरा मान सकती है।
सकती
सकती थी। Divya should take it ill.
इसको नेगेटिव बना देती बेटा तो बड़ा अच्छा।
दिव्या should not take it ill. दिव्या को बुरा नहीं मानना चाहिए।
ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है। दिव्या को बुरा नहीं मानना। तुम एक मिनट, हम तुम्हें एक टास्क दे रहे हैं। हमने प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस नहीं दिया है, तुम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में बना सकते या कोई भी।
Yes, sir.
बनो।
She is taking it ill.
वाह, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में आईएनजी लगता है, कोई भी कंटिन्यूअस टेंस उसमें आईएनजी लगता है। वेरी गुड।
Why he is taking it ill?
बेटा ये गलती बार बार होती है तो सब लोग देख
Why
लेना।
he is taking-
रखिए WH।
Why he is taking-
ये क्या है? ये क्या है बच्चे? इज।
He is taking it ill.
इट यहाँ पे आएगा
Taking
ऑब्जेक्ट।
it ill. मैं बुरा क्यों मान रहा हूँ?
क्रिएटिविटी यही है बेटा कि जो हमें सेंटेंस लगना है अपने दैनिक जीवन में वो कैसे बनेगा वो बना के तुम देखो, और ये आदत में आ जाएगा ना तुम्हारे बच्चे। तो अक्सर क्या होता है, अभी तुम लोगों ने शुरू से देखा है स्कूल से लेकर कॉलेज तक, जब तक टीचर नहीं आता क्लास में शोरगुल होता रहता है, हवाई जहाज उड़ते रहते हैं, लोग मस्ती कर, बच्चे मस्ती करते रहते हैं। लेकिन तुमने ध्यान दिया इस क्लास में हमने काफी शुरू से तुम लोग को इंडिपेंडेंट बनाने की कोशिश, और तुम लोग बन गए। तो एक सीधी सी बात है कि तुम पूरे समय हमारी मदद तो नहीं लोगे आगे बढ़ के जीवन में, तुम्हें खुद करना होगा जो भी है आगे। बेसिक चीजें हम बताते जा रहे हैं, ये बेसिक चीजें आगे उसी पर चलेगा। तो हमने इंडिपेंडेंट बनाने के लिए तुम लोग काफी प्रयास किए हैं और तुम लोग उसमें सफलता भी प्राप्त कर रहे हैं। और कुछ बचा है जिसमें तुम बना सकते हो, अभी अच्छा अवसर है, बना लो। या फिर हम सीधे सीधे चैप्टर का नाम बता दें।
Why is Raju not taking it ill? वह बुरा क्यों नहीं मान सकता? नहीं।
हिंदी बोलते हुए टॉफी मिलेगी।
Why?
नहीं, टॉफी तो हम देंगे क्योंकि WH नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते नहीं है बच्चे, पता नहीं क्यों उससे बचते हैं, और उसने हिम्मत की तो टॉफी तो बनेगी, मिलेगी। WH नेगेटिव कठिन लगता है बच्चों को, ऐसा लगता है कि कठिन है, होता कठिन नहीं है कुछ।
राजू बुरा क्यों?
बेटा ये कंटिन्यूअस टेंस है तो आइडेंटिफिकेशन कैन की तो नहीं लगेगी। चलो आधा तुमने कर दिया, आधा भैया से करवा लेते। भाई साइन करते हो या नहीं? कोई भी कर दे।
राजू बुरा क्यों नहीं मान रहा है?
करेक्ट। अब इसमें से आधी तुम लेना। बोलिए why is Raju not taking it? राजू बुरा क्यों नहीं मान रहा?
राजू बुरा क्यों नहीं मान
Why is Raju not taking it? राजू बुरा क्यों नहीं मान रहा? दोस्तों समय तो हो गया है, इसमें हम एक बाद में चीजें लिख देंगे, एक और लिख देते जो इससे मिलता जुलता है, जिसका हिंदी तुमने बताया।
Don't take it otherwise, अन्यथा ना ले।
Don't take it otherwise, अन्यथा ना ले।
Don't take it otherwise, अन्यथा ना ले।
Don't take it otherwise अन्यथा ना ले। Don't take it otherwise अन्यथा ना ले।
Don't take it otherwise अन्यथा ना ले।
Don't take it otherwise अन्यथा ना ले।
Don't take it otherwise, अन्यथा ना ले। Don't take it otherwise, अन्यथा ना ले। Don't take it otherwise, अन्यथा ना ले।
इसमें एक और लेटेस्ट वाला देंगे जो तुम लोगों ने कभी नहीं सुना होगा, लेकिन इंग्लिश मूवीज में प्रयोग होता है, कल याद दिलाना।
यही वाला चलेगा।
ये सबसे ज्यादा चलने वाला है, लेकिन एक जो बिल्कुल लेटेस्ट है, हम ऐसे ही वर्बली बता दे रहे, कल लिखवा देंगे। डोंट टेक इट बिटर, किसी ने सुना है? नहीं ना, कल देंगे। तो should we conclude the class? Thank you for coming. See you tomorrow.